How to disable Face ID for App Store. So this will work on any iOS device, no matter what generation it is, and whether it's an iPhone or an iPad, it's going to be the same process throughout. So this is going to stop it popping up asking for Face ID when you go to download something on the App Store, whether that's paid for or free. Sometimes it pops up. This is how to stop that. So first of all, you want to go to settings. So go ahead and click on the settings menu of your iPhone. Once you're on this page here, you'll want to scroll down until you see the section where it says Face ID and passcode. Go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to ask you for your passcode. Go ahead and type that in. Then you'll see a section where it says iTunes and App Store. That will be green. You want to go ahead and press that so it turns black. That will turn it off. It might actually ask you for your password to do that. If so, you have to put it in. But then if you go on the App Store after that, you go to download an app, it won't ask you for your Face ID anymore. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.